Time to learn about one of the many tools on Google Suites. Today we will look at Google Forms, and we'll start by going to the app selector and going to Google Forms. One of the options I like is the ability to create a quiz. To do so, you click on to blank quiz. This gives you a template with a wealth of options for answers. If you click over here, you'll see the default is multiple choice in the form of circles. But if you click under the arrow, you can see you can also do it with check boxes, a drop-down box. Other options that you have for answers are a short answer or a longer paragraph answer. And they also give you a few other options down here, but these 5 are the ones I generally stick with, and it seems to work well. Okay, so along with being a high school teacher, I am the coach of my high school chess club. And each year, at the start of the school year, I try to recruit freshmen for the chess club. Naturally, I want to know their level of experience of these freshmen with chess. So, designing a quick chess quiz makes perfect sense. So, let's put together a chess quiz. We'll start by giving our quiz a name. We'll call it Chess Knowledge. Go here. Now, we need to come up with some questions. Hit the plus bar, and why don't we start with, what is the most powerful piece in chess? Now, we'll go with multiple choice, and we'll go with circles. So let's start with answer 1 will be the queen. Then we'll go with the knight. I'm hitting the return bar to get each additional option. Then the bishop. Hit the return bar again. And let's go to a final one, the rook. Okay. And I'm going to provide an answer key. The answer here is queen. I hit done, so that saves that. And I'm going to make this required. Okay, so if you go up here and click onto this icon, you'll get a preview of what your quiz will look like. Let's do that. And you can see, I'll have to delete this, but here's our answers. And so far it's looking good. Why don't we take a look at the full quiz? Okay, so here we go. We started with several multiple choice, and then I switched over to a short answer, and then multiple choice with boxes and checks. Another multiple choice, couple more, and then, a yes or no. And then finally I end it in a paragraph, describe the meaning of stalemate. Okay, now I need to show you. You ultimately will get responses, and it will show you as the responses come in, this number will go up. Now I sent this to one person, and let's click onto this, and we'll go through and it'll score the quiz. Now I didn't make this for a grade, so there's no final tally here, okay? Because this is just meant to be informational. But we go through and it gives the person what the correct answer is, and shows them how they did. So there you have it. Very simple, straightforward, and it can be quite helpful. So I hope you make use of this app at some point.